So you really want to start it over here. So your phase shift is 7.5. Your vertical shift going up to your imaginary middle, so it's 11.4. And your period is 30, so which equals 2 pi over b. You can cross multiply and get 30b equals 2 pi, so divide by 30 and you get b equals pi over 15. Now you plug into the formula. Height equals your amplitude, which is 10, sine your b, which is pi over 15, t, your phase shift is 7.5, so it's minus 7.5, and your vertical shift is 11.4. That's your equation. And that's it. Is there any questions?
Why is the vertical shift 11.4?
Because the bottom of the wheel is 1.4 above, and the radius is 10, so you have to add, and that's your imaginary middle. So you go 10 plus 1.4 is 11.4.
So your imaginary middle is your vertical shift?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. And there you go.
These are always written as a sign.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next part is identities. Identities.
I don't want to see another one in my life.
So 7, 8, 9, that's identities. You don't like identities? So 7, 15 marks there.
It's a nice chunk.
That must be tough ones. 5 marks apiece.
Oh, when I'm saying 7, it could be like 3 questions within 7.
Oh, I see.
8, it could be 2 questions. Yeah, I'm not just meaning that there's 3
And you're
questions.
saying identities, you're not just talking just the 8 fundamental, you're talking all of them.
Yes. Yeah. So we'll do a question like number 7. You're going to have some proofs for number 7. So let's do this proof. And then you know what? After this, well, you can grab a licorice. This is courtesy of Kayla. She came home last night and she goes, "Here, Mom, give these to your night school students." I go, "Well, why?" She goes, "Well, why not?" I go, "Okay." I says, "Oh, sure, they'll eat them. No problem." So, no, honest to God, she was just like, "Yeah." I go, "Okay." That's because I always talk about you guys. Night school sort of saved my life this year. We've had a great time. It was better last semester at Belford than here. I just don't like this facility. You know, it's not you guys. Do you like this building? Do you like this little room? Do you like the pool?
I'm loving the pool.
Do you like, these boards that I can't even write on? You know?
I think I like having it here. I'm in school like 8 hours a day. Yeah, I know. Can you hear people?
Yeah. You know what? They need you guys here to like revamp.
Easy.
Okay, let's try this identity. Looks easy to me. I hope I wrote it down right. It equals 0, so that should be good for you guys. It's what's in your head, so. Oh. So, you know, in the textbook, all the identities on that formula sheet are on there. So you're not going to be using your green sheet. It's just going to be all out of the textbook. But they're the exact same thing. Well, Eric got this one really fast, so it must be really easy.
Yeah.
I'm teasing. Okay, I would get the same denominator. Whenever you have fractions, think of getting the lowest common denominator. So this one here, you need 1 minus sine, top and bottom. And this one here, you need a cosine, top and bottom. So the bottom is just cosine times 1 minus sine. On the top then, I'm going to use FOIL. So 1 times 1 is 1. Outside will be negative sine theta. Inside will be positive sine theta. And the last will be negative. Sine times sine is sine squared. Then minus cos times cos is cos squared. Sine theta negative sine theta plus sine theta is 0, so that's gone. So you get 1 minus sine squared minus cos squared over that denominator. And remember, you're doing a proof, so don't do stuff in your head. You have to show stuff. Well, then you look at your identity sheet and you can manipulate. You know that sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. So you can subtract sine squared and you'll get cos squared. So that there equals cos squared. So you get cos squared minus cos squared over that denominator. And cos squared minus cos squared is 0. So 0 over anything is 0. Done. There's the other side. Finito. So probably for proofs you'll have like a couple of them. An easy one and a harder one.
Just give us that one.
Well, that was an easy one, right? Because you got it, so.
Well, it's
Oh,
true.
I got him
suck
again,
at
that's not nice. What's that?
I suck at identity, so it's true.
It's not true, you don't suck at identities. Is there any question on that? Okay, when we come back, we'll do 8, 9, and we've got 3 more questions to do. And that's basically it. If you want to stay for your break, you can, or go and pick up a couple of licorice here from Kayla. Oh, smell. Do it with my teeth. There you go. And Caleb, oh, he went to go for a smoke, because I was gonna get him to do this.
What?
What? That's okay, if you need to go for a smoke, go for a smoke.
Okay.
So 8. Find the exact value. Whenever you see that, you think of your pink sheet, so get it out. And let's do, I don't know, let's do sine of 75 degrees. You guys try that one. So you look in your pink sheet and you go, 75? 75? It's not there. Oh, what am I gonna do?
Add or subtract?
Oh, exactly, you have to use an identity, so go for it, you guys.
Some difference, well, no.
You could. You could do sum and difference, you could use something else too.
You want me to copy of
You could do half angle one.
the video?
Okay, go for it, you guys. That formula sheet, so you want to look on your formula sheet. And you want your pink sheet too.
That was close.
You are lying.
What?
What?
I almost used it. That would've been good.
Probably not.
Is this like the sum and difference item?
Yeah, you can use sum and difference, or you could do half angle for this one too. Yeah, you don't like half angle?
No.
I gotta make sure I have one that you have to do half angle for that.
Oh.
I'm teasing.
She's not.
No, she's not.
No, I think so.
There's not gonna do one of those in the test?
What, half angle? Oh, there might be.
So yes, there
You
is.
can tell us. It's okay.
I'm gonna tell you at the end, though. I'm gonna let you ask any questions at the end of today.